Bienvenido a mi proyecto.
Gracias.
Que se llama Ida y Vuelta. So this is my project, Ida y Vuelta, which is about Puerto Rican migration to the Tampa Bay area. There are 3 different migration patterns that I focused on. Brown is the tobacco cigar industry era. That is how Puerto Ricans first came here through Ybor City. So all these brown canvases speak to those stories. The second migration pattern is about agriculture in Florida and also the deindustrialization in New York in the 70s. So people were moving down from New York as well, here in the purple. And then the last movement is in 2017, after Hurricane Maria, over 100,000 Puerto Ricans evacuated and moved to the Tampa Bay area. And so this speaks onto how Puerto Ricanos came to Tampa, how much we are embedded in this community, and also how our migration patterns kind of different from immigrants, where typically immigrants are from one place and settle in another. Our story is circular migration. So we move back and forth between Puerto Rico and the Tampa Bay area, living here, working here, but also living and working in Puerto Rico at the same time. I'm one of those people. This tiny little canvas with this tiny little bird is talking about the frequency of Puerto Ricans to the Tampa Bay area and back. The prairie warbler also does that. So I was looking up different migration patterns of birds that go between Puerto Rico and Tampa. And the prairie warbler lives in Tampa in the summertime and lives in Puerto Rico in the wintertime. So I found it to be like a really cute metaphor for me. Like, I'm a prairie warbler. I go back and forth and in between. And so that's what this piece is about. I knew that there were more people like me. I just needed to do the research to figure out, how did we get here in the first place? Why are there so many of us here? And so in my research, I could not put all of it in these 20 canvases. However, there's a hidden QR code on this airplane ticket, and that QR code leads you to my website and it cites all of the sources. I was looking at archives at the University of South Florida, the Center of Puerto Rican Studies in New York, and also did different dissertation papers of people who were doing research on Puerto Ricans. And a lot of that narrative is about Orlando area or Miami. However, there's a narrative that doesn't have enough research about the Tampa Bay area. And in my research, I learned that we are the 6th largest population in the United States. We are here, we are embedded in this community. And so my takeaway is a tour guide, and it gives people some light into how to do ethical tourism, because Puerto Ricans give so much to the economy here in Tampa. This is a really good way if you want to go to Puerto Rico to give back to the economy there. And it's not an end-all be-all, but I vouch for everything in here. My favorite restaurants, my favorite local hotels that you can stay at. So yeah, it's a way to practice sustainable tourism. This is a way to learn about the history of Puerto Rico.